Hey guys, this is how to fix that professional mode is not showing up in your Facebook. So let's get into it. And first of all, let me check that if this option is available, then you can see that there is no option of professional mode in my Facebook. So let's start our video and get this option. First of all, you just need to open and log into your Facebook account. At the home page, click on the three lines at the top right corner. Click on your profile icon at the top left. Now you will be here at this interface of your profile. Let me clear one thing that if your profile is locked, then you will not able to get this option on your Facebook account. So simply unlock your Facebook profile. For this, click on the three dots in front of the edit profile. Then click on the unlock profile. Click at this interface, click on the unlock icon, and now you have to just wait for a couple of the seconds. Right here you have to just click on the unlock your profile, then you will be redirected here. You have to just refresh this page for 2 to 3 times. Right after that, again click on the three dots in front of the edit profile, and then you can see there this turn on professional mode option is added in my Facebook account successfully. And yes guys, that's how to fix that the professional mode is not showing in your Facebook account. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching.